Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to self-host n8n within DigitalOcean as a Droplet. Let's get right into it. You're going to want to go to DigitalOcean.com, find it on Google. You're going to want to create a new account. You can log on Google or an email, whatever you want. Once you're in, scroll all the way down to the left-hand side. Click on Marketplace down here. Oh boy. Then you're going to want to click on n8n, or you can search it if it's not there. Click on Create n8n Droplet. You're then going to want to select the server, the location that is closest to you. All this to do with San Francisco. And then you're going to make sure n8n is selected. You want to come down, click on regular. You could select any system that you want for the speed and the size, but I find starting off with the smallest ones, $6 a month, is usually good for a lot of automations. Scroll down, type in your password. Click on Create. And this will take a minute to create. Click this right here. Now, next up, you're going to need a domain name for us. So you can buy it on GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Fun, wherever you want. In this case, I just use $4 in my domains. So I'm already here. You're just going to want to click on the DNS records of whatever website you go to. You're going to want to add a new A record. The host is going to be n8n. It can be whatever you want, but in this case, the default, we'll leave it as n8n. We're then going to want to come back here, and once this is done creating, it'll have a IPv4 address, and I will unpause this when it's done. Okay, that literally took like 2 seconds. Click on the IPv4 address, come back here, answer, paste, and then click add. And now that's added, we can go back to our DigitalOcean Droplet. Click on console. Waiting for console. This may look a little bit confusing, but it's honestly very easy. Alright, this may also take a minute to load up the first time. I'm going to pause it and then I'll unpause when it's done. Okay, there we go. We're now in. So the subdomain is going to be n8n, so that's what we set it to. And the domain name in this case, infinityskyai.com. It'll be whatever yours is. Just double check. Okay, I think it might take a few minutes to get this to set up. So if that happens, just wait a few minutes and then try again. All right, there we go, guys. It is done installing. Now you're just going to copy this URL right here and go to Google, open it up, and this can be your new n8n server. So there you go. You create your account, sign in, and you can start building automations just like that. Super easy, super simple. If you guys like this video, let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to do in n8n, any kind of workflow or automation, or just thing you're having to struggle with and you need some help with. If you also have n8n or other automations or things that you want to build and you're not sure how to do them, you can go to the description below and I have a free consultation with anybody. We can sit down and chat and see if you want to help me, if you want to have me build out that thing for you. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.